everybody, welcome back to my channel Mystic Holistic. I'm your host Dr. Vibha Pawar, and today we're gonna do a tarot card reading for the month of August 2021 for the sign Aries. These are general readings, so they may or may not resonate. If they do, please comment in the section below and do let me know how was your experience. So let's get started. Okay, let me just also pull one oracle energy card for Aries. This is an overall energy card for the month of August for Aries. Okay, your overall energy card for the month of August has come out to be 6th chakra of Archangel Metatron. So let's get deeper into the messages now. In your recent past, Aries, we have the Nine of Swords. Nine of Swords represents a lot of anxiety, a lot of disappointment, and a lot of sleepless nights. So either you were working hard or you were overthinking about certain things which have given you sleepless nights over the past years, over the past couple of months. And current energies, however, if you see, you've got the Temperance card. It's a major arcana card, and your current feeling is also Two of Pentacles. So both represents balance. You're trying to make a balance, or you're trying to strike a balance either between a professional life and a personal life, or you're trying to strike a balance between two different relationships as well. So you might feel that you're caught up into a different battle altogether, and you're trying to ensure that the balance is somehow restored. Now this is you trying yourself to restore the balance, but understand that universal forces are also enabling you to restore that balance. So do what you're doing right now to ensure that the balance is restored, because it's not you alone. Your universal forces, your creator, your God, your spiritual forces, your angels, everybody of them are there with you to ensure that the balance is restored. In your near future, you've got the Hierophant. So this is a very divine card to have in your tarot reading, Aries. So if any of you are following certain divinity, certain lordship, or you're seeking certain answers from the universe, just be assured that all the answers, all the prayers are getting answered big time, and you will be given a vision for your path ahead as well. Because having a Hierophant and a High Priestess in your environment These are two major arcana cards, and these are two very powerful cards when it comes to intuitions, when it comes to manifestation. So I definitely, whatever you guys are trying to manifest is on its way. So stick to the path, stick to the spiritual side of yourself as well, because these cards are telling me that you are being given all the resources possible to ensure that you will accomplish that balance which is right now missing, which is giving you sleepless nights over the period of time. In your hopes and fear, we have got the Queen of Cups. So it's a hopeful card that we have got. Now, Queen of Cups, if you see the card very carefully, there's a queen who's sitting on a throne and she's admiring her own creation. So similarly, in your hopes as well, you're very hopeful that you will one day be able to admire all the efforts that you're putting in. And if you see the overall outcome of the cards, it is Seven of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles is a very good card which shows that whatever hardship that you have put in through, you are now in a position to reap the benefit out of it. So there's a man who's already reaped the benefit. He's looking at the produce that he has gathered so far. So you will be in a position to understand, acknowledge and admire the benefits that you will be reaping out of all the troubles that you've been going through so far in your recent past. So current energies are suggesting that you just stick to your past, trust your intuitions while going forward, try to meditate so that you can connect to your higher self and the spirit messages can guide you thoroughly in your entire journey so that a balance can be restored. In the overall energy for the reading, you have got the 6th chakra of Archangel Metatron. So this card represents clarity of thoughts and personal vision. Like I mentioned, you have all the higher cards supporting you big time on your intuitiveness. So just follow the intuitiveness. The 6th chakra is also called as a third eye chakra. It actually denotes that you will have insights and clear thoughts. Now, when this card appears upright, it indicates a much greater clarity in your thought process and an expanded perspective towards broader horizons. So some new perceptions are taking hold and the clouds of confusion are clearing. So in some ways, this could be a new beginning for you're on the way to developing a deeper insight about what's going on in your life and why. So now is the time to focus on your personal vision. What do you want to do in your life? Look in the years ahead. Create a clear picture that supports it with daily thoughts and the insights that you need to create a vibrant life is available for you now. So you just have to believe and trust on your intuition. Do a lot of meditation to build up that energy, to connect with your spiritual guides as well, because overall energy, if you see, a lot of intuitiveness is present. A lot of support from your guiding angels is also present. There are new beginnings on the horizon where you will be able to appreciate them also in near future. So just stick to the path. The balance that you're trying to restore in your life will be restored now. You will be able to create opportunities for yourself where the work-life balance or relationship balance, everything would be restored and you will be able to enjoy that balance as well. So thank you so much, Aries, for listening to me. You guys have a wonderful August. Thank you.